Learn English. Hello. Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here with word games. Today's game is animals. It's an easy game for all levels. Number 1. This one has 5 letters, and it's possible for you to ride it. If you ride one, you will probably use a saddle. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. The first letter is an H. Horse. 1 horse. 2 horses. We have a bonus question. When horses run really fast, we say horses like to gallop. Horses like to gallop. This animal can speak English, but it can only say one word, M-O-O. It's a cow. 1 cow, 2 cows. There are many on the tree. These are tiny little insects. They don't fly, they only walk. And sometimes they can bite people. Ants. There are many ants on the tree. This is a small animal, similar to a rat. And this word we also use for a computer part. Can you see this? It's called a mouse. This one would be a computer mouse. 1 mouse, 2 mice. That dog has a long. This one's not an animal, but it's an animal part. People don't have these parts, but many animals do. Tail. That dog has a long tail. Horses and cows also have tails. There is an in the water. This is a reptile. It's very long. It has a long tail and a very big mouth and very short arms and legs. Alligator. But when we speak quickly, alligator. There's an alligator in the water. Bonus question for an extra point. An alligator is very similar to a crocodile. They are very similar. Look at the beautiful. This is an animal. There are many in Canada, similar to a moose, but much smaller. And sometimes on their head they grow antlers. Deer. Look at the beautiful deer. The spelling is E-E. Deer. 1 deer, 2 deer. Similar to sheep and fish. The deer has wonderful antlers. Those are those things made of bone that grow out of their heads. There is a big in the ocean. These animals live in the ocean, and they are bigger than fish. And they breathe air. Whale. There is a big whale in the ocean. The H is silent. We don't pronounce it. Whale. What's this animal? You have to unscramble the letters. These animals are good for meat and cheese, milk, and the first letter is a G. Goat. One goat. Two goats. And sometimes in modern English we say, "You are the goat." And it means you are the... This is a bonus question. Greatest of all time. There are many in Antarctica. These are birds, but they don't fly. When they walk, we say they are waddling. Penguins. There are many penguins in Antarctica. That was lots of fun. How did you do? What was your score? Very nice. My name is Vinny. We'll see you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.